Hey guys, this is Paul from Hifimax. This is the Android 14 Android screen. Let me show you. Here you can see Android 14, right? I want to show you the wireless CarPlay and the mirror link functions. How to connect it. This is the Zlink here. It including the CarPlay, Android Auto, and mirror link. Now I want to show you the CarPlay and the mirror link. Okay, how to connect it. This is the IDA menu. I want to add the Zlink here. To connect the Zlink, you need to connect the telephone here. I just turn on the Bluetooth to search the keys here. Okay, clip it to pair, allow, and connect. Okay, now it have connect the CarPlay, right? This is the CarPlay. I like to show you the iOS version. iOS version is 26.2. I have upgraded to latest version. This is the wireless CarPlay. It's just like this. Okay. Music and others, phone call, message, WhatsApp, and anything here. Click this. When you hit the exit, it will back to Android side. You can see here. Here. And when you go to CarPlay, it will go to CarPlay, right? Here. Exit. Here. Now, I want to show you how to use the mirror link functions because some friends want to watch the video. He says, please search and download these apps on the app. Now I just search the apps and download it. Apps. I just search KIL OS boss. This one. Here, this one, right? I download it. Okay, open. Now, this app have downloaded in my cell phone. Okay. I need to input my cell phone and get a code in order to log in. To get a code. I log in. Agree. Log in. Now it have login success in the cell phone, right? And he says pull down and status bar. Tap the mirror link and connect device and start to the Zlink. That means here control center, right? And mirror link here, this tab. You can see, tap it. Okay, now allow. And select the video stream in the mobile apps. I want to play a video, for example, to take a look. This is a video in my cell phone, the local memory, because in these apps, I don't store any video inside, so I cannot mirror. Here you can see it can mirror the cell phone here. Like this. This one. Here, just like this. Because I don't connect the speakers, so you cannot hear the sounds, but it will play the video correctly. Okay. So in fact, I play the video from YouTube apps in my cell phone now. I can also play other video. They are the same. They are the same. Totally the same. No difference. Here. Okay, here. It's just like this. So now you can switch to CarPlay here, and also tap this and go to mirror link like this. Sorry, I stopped the playing here. When you go to mirror link, the CarPlay, you can switch to CarPlay very fast. And here you can use the mirror link very fast, like this. That's all. That's all. Okay, thank you very much.